Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce account security risks with BitGo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin reducing account security risks with BitGo, first, visit the BitGo website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your email address and a strong password. Ensure your password contains a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your password, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in to the BitGo platform. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as an authentication app or SMS. If using an app, download a trusted authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the prompts to link the authenticator app to your BitGo account. Once linked, enter the verification code generated by the app. Next, familiarize yourself with the BitGo wallet interface. Create a new wallet for storing your digital assets. Select the coin type you want to manage and choose a wallet configuration that suits your needs. Make sure you enable wallet security features, including multi-signature setup. Fund your wallet by transferring assets from another wallet or buying directly through BitGo. Keep your recovery phrase secure and never share it with anyone. Monitor your wallet activity regularly to spot any unusual transactions. Set up alerts for significant account activity to stay informed. Review your security settings periodically and update them as needed. Stay updated on BitGo's latest security practices and features through their official communications. Implementing these steps will help you minimize account security risks while using BitGo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.